In this video, we're gonna see a review about Filmora AI. Wondershare Filmora is a user-friendly video editing software that generated attention for its balance between simplicity and functionality. With the release of Filmora 13 in the late 2024, the platform introduced several AI-powered features aimed at streamlining the editing process for both beginners and intermediate users. It generates videos by inputting text prompts, also automatically trims and stitches highlight moments into cohesive narratives, effortlessly removes unwanted elements from videos, and converts speech to text, adding synchronized captions. Also, you can transform written text into voiceover, and it improves audio quality by reducing background noise and enhancing clarity. Filmora is praised for its intuitive interface, making it accessible for users with varying levels of editing and experience. The drag-and-drop functionality, real-time previews, and a wide array of templates and effects contribute to a streamlined editing process. The software supports 4K video editing and offers fast rendering speeds. However, some users have reported occasional bugs and performance issues, particularly when handling large projects or using older hardware. Filmora offers both free and paid versions. The free version provides access to basic features but includes a watermark on exported videos. But paid plans, there are annual plans for $49 per year, one-time payment around $79, which is the perpetual plan, and the cross-platform plan approximately $69 a year, allowing use across multiple devices. So, user experiences with Filmora are mixed. Many appreciate its ease of use and the range of features available at an affordable price. However, some users have expressed concerns about the software's performance and the company's licensing practices. For instance, a user on Reddit mentioned that "I liked it at first for putting out basic videos. Now it just seems like a constant upsell or way to extort money from you. So it's up to you to choose to work with Filmora." And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.